Hey, it's Coach Mark. I want to bring you some self-care tips in terms of combating some clicking in your joints, right? We talked about that it could be a timing issue or a muscle imbalance issue rather than a joint issue itself. So it doesn't always have to be something that's degenerative, right? And these are things that you can have control over. So things that we mentioned, it could be, we could try to work on some tempo training, meaning if you are going through a range of motion and you are feeling clicking in a joint, like a knee extension, maybe you adjust the tempo, maybe you slow things down to really focus on the contraction of that muscle, and try to pinpoint where in that range of motion you're feeling that clicking. So whether it's a knee extension, a squat, a curl, at your elbows, whatever it might be, try to slow that tempo down a little bit and really focus on the contraction of that muscle. See if you can pinpoint or eliminate where that clicking might happen. Another thing you can do is isometric contractions, like we do with our IsoStrong program here with the IsoFit platform. So you're gonna, if we're gonna do that knee extension, you're gonna be trying to lift into a fixed object. So you're blocking that range of motion, holding for a period of time, feeling the contraction in that thigh, in that quadricep muscle. You can hold for at least a count of 5, but maybe it's longer. Maybe it's 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 or 40, to the point where you feel fatigue, not pain, but again, isolating a range of motion within that joint can help reduce the clicking, right? So building up the strength in that joint. Another thing that we can focus on is some stretch therapy. So it could be muscle imbalance, right, due to tightness or weakness. So if you have a simple tool like a massage stick, if we stick with the thigh, the quadricep muscle, the knee, IT band, right, you can roll those muscles out a little bit, get some blood flow and circulation going through there, and focus on stretching those muscles out once you have some blood flow in there. So maybe it's a quadricep stretch, maybe you're crossing a leg over to do an IT band stretch and feel that stretch along the outside of your thigh. And if we can help you with any of that, isometrics, smart stretch therapy, just reach out, let us know. Otherwise, those are some self-care tips you can do to combat those clicking joints. See you again next time.